Good morning, traders. Richard here doing an Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the SP 500 index. The good news is the S&P mini futures is above the 4-hour cloud. So the outlook now on the 4-hour chart is back to bullish zone. We can also see the front end of the cloud here is turning to the upside. So it's an early signal that we might be finding a bottom in this correction and that the market might be moving back up again. The actual index is still stuck below the cloud, so that we need to see the index trade and close back above the top end of the cloud here, similar to the futures contract there. And also we can see the upside resistance zones on the daily. We'll review that in a minute. Now looking at the daily E-mini futures contract, we can see the long-term big picture. We're still below the bottom end of the cloud here, so the outlook is still bearish. But there's encouraging signs on the 4-hour that we're looking at a relief rally coming soon. Now we can see the market rebounded from this 4,106 cloud chart support zone after a heavy sell-off, and then we found build a new support base with these old cloud chart levels between 4262 and 4215, and now we're fighting the old cloud chart resistance that comes from this 4391 4400 zone, with upside cloud chart resistance on the daily at 4455, that front end cloud chart resistance zone. So that's the upside potential here if it manages to have a sustained breakout past this 4,400 upside cloud chart resistance zone. The next upside resistance target would be the bottom end of the cloud there. So far so good on the 4-hour. But we are not out the woods yet on the daily. The price action is still below the cloud. And the 4-hour one, we can see these resistance zones where it comes from, as well as the front end, that top line there, 4417 is also a resistance zone. But so far so good. We're back above the front end of the cloud here, top end of the cloud. So the outlook has changed from bearish to bullish on the 4-hour. There's support zones on the 4-hour. Is this level here. These 4293. So we can see if resistance holds here at the 4,400 zone, we can sell off back down to 4293 and then rebound further from that zone. But so far so good. As long as price action stays above this cloud chart level, we are back into bullish territory on the 4-hour chart. If we look at the hourly one, you can see there we had a fantastic cloud cross here. There was a nice trade there at 4260. And we now have a nice rally on the hourly chart with support zones here at these levels, 4337, and the front end of the cloud here at 4359 and 4360. So watch out for that. Struggling to get past this resistance, 4,400. So we'll watch out for that on the hourly. And we can also see that this zone here is also a significant resistance zone. So the current rally should last into the 4417 and 4426 zone on the hourly chart, with support at 4337 zone. So back above the cloud on the hourly is bullish. 4-hour is bullish. Daily still bearish, but it'll take a long time for the market to turn positive on the 4-hour. But do remember, the market's very extended. If we look at the weekly as well as the monthly one, you can see this distance between the price action and the actual key cloud chart support levels is quite extended. So we are having a little bit of a relief rally in an overall large extended market. But so far the catalyst we're looking for on the 4-hour chart there is for a breakout past this 4,400, 4,417, 4426 zone. And there's key support zone at this front cloud, top end of the front end of the cloud. So far so good. Back above the top end of the cloud on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Just turning to the S&P 500 index, we can see we got a great rebound at this 4146 zone, and then we grinded back up. Very volatile session, and now it's kind of looking for, it's got support between 4296 and resistance at this 4413 and 4388. So we need to break past this resistance zone. That's significant. If we can get past 4413, then the upside targets would be the bottom end of the cloud there. This front cloud resistance zone, that would be the next level to test, is 4466 and 4530 or 4520 there. That's the upside resistance targets, with support now at 4296 and this front end cloud chart support level as well. So we really need to see a breakout past these levels. If we look at the 4-hour chart of the S&P index itself, you can see we're still stuck below the bottom end of the cloud, so the outlook is still bearish, even though the futures has changed trend to the upside and it's bullish. So we really need to see the index to break past this cloud chart resistance zone. Front end cloud here at 4296 is a support zone, and upside 4466 is a resistance zone, as well as 4520 on the 4-hour chart. But we really need to see a breakout past this level to be bullish on the 4-hour chart. The hourly index chart, we've broken across the cloud, so that's bullish. Now watch out, this bottom end cloud chart level, that's a new support zone for this current rally, and the upside resistance targets are the top end of the line there. So it's bullish on the hourly. So far so good. We now really need to see the bullish 4-hour chart. 4477 is the upside resistance target on the hourly one. So far so good. We're back above the top end of the cloud, and the hourly one is giving us an early indication that this rally might last, but do be aware that we can dip back down below and rebound from that front cloud support zone. So hourly bullish, 4 hours still bearish, but we're looking to see if it'll break through that level the next couple of days. And then the daily is also still somewhat, well, significantly bearish, because price action is below the bottom end of the cloud here. So we're still bearish on the daily. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.